Hello students, myself Shipra Hada from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota. Students, today we will study chapter 6, that is division. So students, in this chapter we will see how we divide the numbers. So first of all, what is the meaning of division? Students, division means distributing equal quantity in equal groups. So students, open page number 73 in your book and just look here. Suppose we have a number 4 and we have to divide this 4 by 2. This is the sign of divide. Is it clear? We have to divide 4 by 2. हमें क्या करना है? 4 को 2 से divide करना है. So now look here, how can we divide 4 by 2? We are dividing 4 by 2. So students, you are dividing 4. आप 4 को divide कर रहे हो. So this number will be dividend. Is it clear? What is this number? This number will be dividend. And you are dividing this number by 2. आप 2 से इस number को divide कर रहे हो. Then 2 will be divisor. Is it clear? So now हमें 2 का टेबल इतने टाइम बोलना है स्टूडेंट्स कि हमें या तो क्या मिल जाए, 4 मिल जाए या 4 से कोई छोटा नंबर मिल जाए. So now 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4. So students, you can see here 2 times you are getting 4. आप अगर 2 का टेबल 2 टाइम बोलोगे then you will get the result 4. So how many times we are getting 4? 2 times. So 2 will come here because 2 twos are 4 and 4 will write here. Is it clear? Now what we have to do? Now we have to subtract the numbers. अब 4 से 4 क्या करोगे आप? Subtract करोगे, minus करोगे and the result will be 0. And this number will be the remaining number जो end में आपके पास number रह गया है, that will be remainder. ये number क्या हो जाएगा? Remainder. Is it clear? And this number, the number by which you are dividing, this number will be divisor. And the number to be divided, जिस number को आप divide कर रहे थे, 4 को divide किया है हमने, this number will be dividend. Is it clear? And the result of division, divide करने पर जो answer हमें मिला है, the result of division, that will be quotient. This number is called quotient. Is it clear students? I am repeating this again. The number to be divided 4 here and this will be dividend, and the number by which you are dividing, जिस number से आप divide कर रहे हो, that will be divisor, and the answer of division, जो इसका answer है, the result of division, that will be quotient, and the remaining number will be remainder. Is it clear students? So students, now we see a question of exercise 6.1. Exercise 6.1, and we are taking a question that is given on page number 76. Students, open page number 76 in your book and look at question number 3. Question number 3 is, enclose the 12 cricket balls in boxes such that there are 3 balls in each box. So students, in this question, how many balls you are having? You have 12 balls in this question, and what you have to do, you have to separate the balls. आपको balls को क्या करना है? Separate करना है. 3 balls को आपको separate करना है in a box. Is it clear? So now, how many boxes have you formed? And you have to tell how many boxes you have formed. So how many balls you are having in this question? We have 12 balls. So let me draw the balls here. So how many balls we are having? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We have 12 balls here, and this is given in the question, एंड नाउ वी हैव टू सेपरेट 3 बॉल्स. हमें 3 बॉल्स को क्या करना है, सेपरेट करके एक बॉक्स में बंद करना है. सो नाउ वी आर सेपरेटिंग 3 बॉल्स. सो जस्ट लुक हियर, 1 2 3 एंड नाउ we are drawing a box and we have separated 3 balls by a box. Is it clear? हमने एक बॉक्स बनाया और 3 balls को सेपरेट किया. Now again we have to separate 3 balls. 1 2 3. Again we are drawing a box and we are separating 3 balls. So again we have to draw a box here and then again we are separating 3 balls, 1 2 3, and again we have to draw a box and we have to separate 3 balls here. Is it clear, students? So now we have separated 3 balls and now let me count the boxes. How many boxes we have formed here? So just look here, 1 2 3 4. So how many boxes we have formed here? We have formed 4 boxes. And what the question is asking? Question is asking how many boxes you have to form. Question पूछ रहा है कि आपको कितने boxes form करने पड़ेंगे. And just we have drawn 4 boxes here. We have formed 4 boxes here. Is it clear, students? तो हमने क्या किया? 12 boxes, 12 balls को किससे divide किया? 3 से. And what is the result? Just see here. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9 and 3 fours are 12. So 4 times we are getting 12. So 4 will come here as I have told you earlier also, and 12 will come here and the remainder will be 0. So what is the answer, students? 4. And here we have seen 1 2 3 4. 4 boxes. Is it clear? So in this way, students, you can divide and you can find the answer. So now we see the next topic that is given on page number 77. Division as repeated subtraction. So students, to understand this topic, we have to take a question of exercise 6.2 on page number 78. Exercise 6.2 on page number 78, and we are taking question 1A part. So question 1 is, observe the following and fill in the boxes. We have to observe the following numbers given here. So what we can see here, just look here. First of all, we see a number 20, and then the next we can see -5, and the next is 15 and again -5, and next is 10 -5, and the result we can see 0 in the end. Is it clear, students? So just look at this question. This is given in the question. ये हमें question में given है. Now what is the question asking? Question is asking 20 divided by dash is equals to dash. So just look at this question. फर्स्ट नंबर यू कैन सी 20 हियर, और 20 से आप क्या सब्ट्रैक्ट कर रहे हो? यू आर सब्ट्रैक्टिंग 5 फ्रॉम 20. हमने 20 में से 5 सब्ट्रैक्ट किया एंड देन वी गेट 15, एंड दिस इज गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन. ये जो कंप्लीट है ये हमें क्वेश्चन में गिवन है. इज इट क्लियर? सो नाउ इफ वी आर सब्ट्रैक्टिंग 5 फ्रॉम 20 वी आर गेटिंग 15. अगेन वी आर सब्ट्रैक्टिंग 5. पहले भी हमने 5 सब्ट्रैक्ट किया एंड अगेन वी आर सब्ट्रैक्टिंग, हम माइनस कर रहे हैं किसको? 5 को, and then we are getting 10. Again what we are subtracting? We are subtracting 5 and we are getting 5, और 5 में से फिर हमने क्या subtract किया? 5 subtract किया and then we are getting 0. So students, from 20 how many times we have subtracted 5? कितने times आपने 5 को subtract किया? 1 time, 2 times, 3 times and then 4 times. So if you subtract 5 from 20 4 times, अगर आप 4 टाइम्स 5 को 20 में से सब्ट्रैक्ट करोगे देन यू विल गेट 0 एंड वी कैन सी डिवीजन एज रिपीटेड subtraction. Is it clear students? So now we are dividing 20 by 5. हम यहाँ चेक कर लेते हैं what will be the answer. आंसर क्या होगा? So students, as you know, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15 and 5 fours are 20. So how many times you are getting 20? 4 times. So what is the answer? 4. And here what we have seen? 1, 2, 3, 4. If we subtract 4 times 5 from 20, we get 0. Is it clear? So 20 is the dividend and the divisor will be 5. जिस नंबर को आप बार बार subtract कर रहे हो that will be divisor. And what is the answer? How many times you have subtracted 5? You have subtracted 4 times 5. आपने 4 बार उसको subtract किया है. So your answer will be 4. Is it clear students? And this is division as repeated subtraction. Is it clear? Now we see one more question. Question number 3. Question number 3 of exercise 6.2 on page number 78. Question number 3. So students, question number 3 is divide the following using repeated subtraction. Now the numbers are given in the question and we have to find the answer by using repeated subtraction. So just look here. We are taking C part and the C part is 40 divided by 10. So here dividend is given in the question. Divisor is also given in the question. हमें क्या करना है? 40 को डिवाइड करना है 10 से and we have to use repeated subtraction. So just look here what we have to do. First we will write 40 here. Is it clear? 40 is dividend. Dividend लिखेंगे हम सबसे पहले, that is 40. Now we have to subtract 10. हम divisor को dividends में से क्या करेंगे? Subtract करेंगे, minus करेंगे. So now 40 minus 10. What is the answer? 0 minus 0 will be 0. 4 minus 1 will be 3. Is it clear? So now again we have to subtract 10 from 30. So again look here. 0 minus 0 will be 0 and 3 minus 1 will be 2. Again we have to subtract 10 from 20. 0 minus 0 is 0. 2 minus 1 will be 1. Again we are subtracting 10 from 10. 0 minus 0 will be 0 and 1 minus 1 will be 0. So we have to subtract the divisor from the dividend until we get 0. जब तक हमें 0 नहीं मिल जाता हमें इसे क्या करना है? Subtract करना है. Now students, how many times you have subtracted? 1 time, then 2, then 3 and then 4. So here also we have subtracted 4 times. हमने 4 times क्या किया? 10 को subtract किया and we get the result 0. So what is the answer? The answer will be 4. आप 10 को 40 से divide करके check करो. 10 4s are 40. 0 minus 0 will be 0. 4 minus 4 will be 0. The answer will be 4. Is it clear students? So you can show, you can divide the numbers by this method also. And this method is known as division as repeated subtraction. Is it clear students? So now we see the next topic students, properties of division. Properties of division. And this is given on page number 79. On page number 79 we are observing properties of division and now we see the first property. What is the first property? The first property is division of a number by 1. So students, when you divide a number by 1, what we are observing here? We are dividing a number. Let's take a number 15 and we are dividing this number by 1. हम 15 को किससे डिवाइड कर रहे हैं? 1 से. So if you divide a number by 1, आप किसी भी नंबर को जब 1 से डिवाइड करोगे, according to property you will get the result the number itself. आपके पास आंसर क्या आ जाएगा? The same number, the dividend जिसे आप डिवाइड कर रहे हो, that will be the answer. Is it clear? If you are dividing 12 by 1, आप 12 को 1 से divide करोगे, again you will get the answer 12. Suppose you are dividing 6 by 1, आप 6 को क्या कर रहे हो, 1 से divide कर रहे हो, so your answer will be 6 as it is. Is it clear, students? So this is the first property of division. Now we see the next property of division, division of a number by itself. Now we divide the number by the same number. अब हम क्या करेंगे, एक नंबर को उसी नंबर से डिवाइड करेंगे, and we are taking a number 18. We have to divide this 18 by the same number 18. हम जब 18 को 18 से ही डिवाइड करेंगे, we are dividing the same numbers, we will get the result 1. This is the second property. And what is the second property? If you divide a number by the same number, अगर आप किसी नंबर को उसी नंबर से डिवाइड करोगे, you will get the result 1. If you are dividing 5 by 5, आप 5 को 5 से ही डिवाइड कर रहे हो, what will be the answer? The answer will be 1. If you are dividing a number like 25 by 25, again you will get the answer 1. Is it clear? And this is the second property. According to this property, if you divide a number by the same number, you will get the result 1. So students, now we see the next property, third property. And the third property is if 0 is divided to a number, जब हम 0 को किसी भी नंबर से डिवाइड करते हैं, we are dividing 0 by 5. If you will divide 0 by a number, the answer will be always 0. Now here dividend is 0 and divisor can be any number. कोई भी number आप divisor ले लो, dividend अगर 0 है, your answer will be 0. Is it clear? Now we take one more number. We are dividing 0 by 25. Again you will get the result 0. If you are dividing 0 by a number, you will get the result 0. And this is the third property. So now the fourth property is if you divide any number by 0. Difference समझो अभी. Now we are taking 0 as a divisor. अभी divisor क्या है? 0 है. पहले 0 क्या था? In the third property 0 क्या था? 0 was dividend. 0 वहाँ पे dividend था. But here the 0 is we are using as a divisor. Is it clear? So in this situation the answer will be not possible. What is the answer? The answer is not possible, because we cannot divide any number by 0. हम किसी भी नंबर को 0 से डिवाइड नहीं कर सकते. If you are dividing any number by 0, your answer will be not possible, not defined. Is it clear, students? So now we are taking some question based on the properties. We have seen 4 properties here of division, and now we are taking question of exercise 6.3, question number 1, and this is given on page number 79. So students, look at the first A part. 9 divided by 9. Fill in the blanks. You have to fill this blank. 9 divided by 9. So as I have told you, if you divide any number by the same number, आप किसी भी number को उसी number से divide करोगे, so what will be the answer? Yes, the answer will be 1. Is it clear? Now we take one more question, B part. 462 divided by 1 is equals to dash. If you divide any number by 1, then what will be the result? प्रॉपर्टी में देखा है हमने, अगर हम किसी भी नंबर को 1 से डिवाइड करेंगे, सो आंसर विल बी द सेम नंबर एंड द आंसर इज 462. इज इट क्लियर? नाउ वी टेक वन मोर क्वेश्चन, सी पार्ट. 364 डिवाइडेड बाय 0. सो जस्ट आई हैव टोल्ड यू, इफ यू आर डिवाइडिंग एनी नंबर बाय 0, किसी भी नंबर को अगर आप 0 से डिवाइड करोगे, योर आंसर विल बी नॉट पॉसिबल. Is it clear? So now we are taking question number 2 of same exercise, exercise 6.3, question number 2. Question number 2, and we are taking B part of this question. 0 divided by 7425 is equals to dash. So students, just look here. Now we are dividing 0 by this number. हम 0 को किसी number से divide कर रहे हैं and the number is 7425. So what will be the answer? Now the answer will be 0 because यहाँ पे 0 क्या आ गया? As a dividend. If you divide 0 by any number, your answer will be 0. Is it clear, students? So students, now we will start the book work of this chapter. So open page number 73 in your book and now we will see the first question. So just look here. Question number 1 is divide equally by forming groups. So students, A part is 16 sandwiches among 4 children. We have to divide 16 sandwiches among 4 children. हमें 16 sandwiches को 4 children के बीच में क्या करना है? Divide करना है by forming groups. So as you can see, there are 16 sandwiches and now we are going to divide these 16 sandwiches. So just look here. If one child get 4 sandwiches, the next child will get 4 sandwiches again and the third child will get 4 sandwiches and again the last child will get 4 sandwiches. So how can we divide 16 among 4 children? Just look here. 16 and we have to divide this 16 by 4. And students, as we know, 4 4s are 16. So 16 we will write here. And 4 times we are getting 16, so we will write 4 here. Now we will subtract and we will get remainder 0. So the answer is 4. Is it clear? It means one child will get 4 sandwiches. Is it clear, students? Now we will see the next question, students. B part. B part is similar to the A part. Now you can do the B part also. So now we are taking question number 2. Divide using repeated subtractions. So students, you have already seen repeated subtraction. Now we have to find the answer of A part, that is 28 divided by 7. Now we have to divide 28 by 7 by using repeated subtraction. So just look here, students. Now we are dividing 28 by 7. Question number 2, A part. 28 by 7. So students, we have to use repeated subtraction. So how can we do the division by using repeated subtraction? First of all, we have to write 28, that is dividend. पहले हमें dividend को लिखना है as it is. Then we have to subtract 7, that is divisor. जो divisor है हमें उसे क्या करना है? Dividend से subtract करना है. So just look here, we are subtracting 7. Now 8 minus 7 will be 1 and 2 will be as it is. So now we have to subtract this 7 again. हमें फिर से क्या करना है? Divisor को subtract करना है. Now again we are subtracting 7. So students, 11 minus 7 will be 4 and now this will be 1 and we'll write 1 here as it is. Is it clear, students? Now we'll get 14. Again now we have to subtract 7. Now 14 minus 7 will be 7. Here we'll get 0. Now again we have to subtract 7. Students, we have to subtract 7 until we get the remainder 0. हमें तब तक subtract करना है जब तक हमें remainder क्या नहीं मिल जाए? 0 नहीं मिल जाए. Now again we are having 7. We are subtracting 7 and now we'll get 7 minus 7 will be 0. So students, now see how many times we have subtracted 7. कितने times हमने 7 को subtract किया है? Now 1 time, second time, third time and then 4 times. So students, what is the answer? We have subtracted 7 4 times. So now answer is 4. So when you will divide 28 by 7, you will get the answer 4. Is it clear, students? So answer of A part is 4. Is it clear? Now you can do B and C part also like this only. And now we will see the next question, that is question number 3. Question number 3 is, for each multiplication fact, write 2 division facts. This question we will discuss in the next video, students, because we have not done multiplication and division facts here. So now we'll see the next question, that is given On page number 76, in your book of exercise 16.1, 6.1, and we are taking the first question. Question number 1. So just look here students, question number 1 is draw and divide 20 oranges equally in 5 plates. You can see 5 plates here and you have to divide 20 oranges. आपको 20 oranges को divide करना है equally in 5 plates में. So how can you divide 20 oranges in 5 plates? Just look here. Now we are dividing 20 by 5. Exercise 6.1, question number 1. 20 divided by 5. So first of all we have to write 20 here because this is the dividend, and now we are dividing this 20 by 5. So students, as you know, 5 3s are 15 and 5 4s are 20. Is it clear? So now we have to take 4 times 20. So 4 will write here and now here we will write 20 and the remainder will be 0. Is it clear students? So now when we will divide 20 by 5, we will get the answer 4. So now the question was divide 20 oranges equally in 5 plates. So what will be the answer? The answer will be 4. It means in each plate we have 4 oranges. Is it clear students? Now you can do question 2 like this only, and question 3 we have already done. Now we'll see the next question 4. Question number 4 is fill in the boxes. Part A is done for you. So now we are taking part B. We have to fill these boxes. So students, part B is 24 video games in all 6 groups. So what you have to do in this question, you have to divide 24 video games in 6 groups. आपको क्या करना है? 24 को divide करना है 6 से. Question number 4, B part we are doing, and we are dividing 24 by 6. So again we will write 24 here and we are dividing it by 6. So as you know, 6 3s are 18 and 6 4s are 24. So how many times you are getting 24? You are getting 4 times 24 here and the remainder is 0. So now what is the quotient and what is the result of division? The result of division is 4. It means your answer is 4. So when you will divide 24 by 6, you will get the answer 4. It means 4 video games in each group. Is it clear students? So now we are taking the next question students, and the next question is of exercise 6.2. Question number 1. Observe the following and fill in the boxes. So students, as you can see the repeated subtraction here, and this question we have already done. So now we will see the next question of exercise 6.3. Now students, in exercise 6.3 you have question number 1, fill in the blanks. So students, we have learnt about the properties of division. हमने क्या सीखा है? Properties of division सीखा है. So now as you can see, A part and B part, C part we have already done. So now we are observing question number G. 0 divided by 6773. So as I have told you the property of division, when you will divide 0 by a number, जब आप 0 को किसी number से divide करोगे, your answer will be always 0. Is it clear students? You are dividing 0 by a number, your answer will be 0. Now we'll see the next question, that is H part. 9009 divided by 9009. Again the property based question, you are dividing the same number by the same number. आप किसी number को उसी number से क्या कर रहे हो? Divide कर रहे हो. Then you will get the answer 1. When you are dividing a number by the same number, you will get the answer 1. Now we'll see question number 2. Question number 2 is fill in the boxes. You have to fill the boxes given here. So students, we are taking C part of this question, and the C part is box which is blank, divided by 1132 is equals to 1. So students, as you can see, the answer is 1. And when you will get the answer 1, किसी भी division का answer 1 कब होता है? When you will divide the number by the same number. जब आप किसी number को उसी number से divide करोगे, it means what will be the dividend here? यहाँ dividend क्या होगा? 1132. When you will divide 1132 by the same number, इसको आप इसी number से divide करोगे, you will get the answer 1. So now F part we are observing on the board. So just look here, F part is exercise 6.3. Question number 2. And the F part is 0 divided by a number is equals to 0. So now students, dividend you can see 0 here. It means you have to divide 0 by a number and you will get the result 0. So as I have told you, when you will divide 0 by any number, जब आप 0 को किसी भी number से divide करोगे, your answer will be always 0. But suppose अगर यहाँ divisor में आपको क्या मिल जाए, 0 ही मिल जाए, then what will be your answer? Then your answer will be not possible, not defined. Is it clear? So it means in this box we cannot write 0. हम 0 नहीं लिख सकते as a divisor, because if we write 0 here, then our answer will be not possible. And here we can see the answer is 0. So what will be the answer? हम इस बॉक्स में क्या लिखेंगे? In this box we can get any number, we can have any number, because if we divide 0 by any number, our answer will be always 0. Is it clear? Any number we can write here except 0. Is it clear students? So here students, we have seen the bookwork of chapter 6. I hope you understood this well. Thank you.